Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can check your weather update. For that you have to watch the full video, so let's get started. Guys, as we know, we need to check weathers before going out from our house because we don't know what's happening outside when we like stay in our house. We don't know what's happening to outside world, so we need to check our weather report before going out of the house because nowadays snow is going on and everything and all, and different like different cities varies. It's kind of different thing because when you check your weather report, it's not updating, it's updating like 5 minutes ago, 1 hours ago report, then you can't find the real report. So today I came up with a new video where you will get to know the real exact weather of like the real time weather, real time, the you will get the real time weather. That's it. So let's get started. First you have to go to AccuWeather, like this app. It's called AccuWeather, and here we can see here's the my location. They were showing like exact real 27 degrees Celsius as my location temperature now. So you can see here like it's 27 degrees Celsius and it's hazy, and like here you can see real feel 26.8 degrees Celsius, humidity 44%, chances of rain 2%. So wind speed 18.5 kilometer per hour, and air quality index also you can see here how is the air quality is extremely poor. Try to stay indoors, close your doors and windows. So this is the report. So here's the exact report of today's weather. Like right now what's the weather is the exact report. So that's how you can get to know the exact report of your weather, any kind of city, any cities you're from, not doesn't matter, you will get the real weather report. So that's it guys, that's how you can check your weather update. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.